In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place text on an image in Microsoft Word. This process is straightforward and can be done on both Windows and Mac versions. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by inserting the image onto your Word document. To do this, go to the top menu and click on Insert, then navigate to Pictures. From there, choose the image you wish to add to your document. Once you've selected your image, it will appear on your page. Next, it's crucial to ensure that your text can overlay this image without any hassle. Click on the image to select it, then move up to the Picture Format tab. Look for Wrap Text, and from the drop-down menu, you'll need to select either Behind Text or In Front of Text. This choice allows you to seamlessly place text directly over your image without any overlapping issues. Now, let's get your text on the image. Head over to the Insert tab once again, but this time choose Text Box and then Draw Text Box. Once you've drawn your text box, go ahead and type in the text you want to appear over your image. Here's where you can get creative. Take the opportunity to format your text by choosing the font, size, and color that best suits your needs and the overall aesthetic you're aiming for. With your text now looking the way you want, let's make sure the image can be seen clearly behind it. Click on the text box to select it, then go up to Shape Format. Here, navigate to Shape Fill and select No Fill. This will make the background of your text box transparent, allowing the image to show through wherever the text is not. To complete the transparency effect, go over to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. This step removes the border of your text box, ensuring nothing distracts from your beautifully formatted text or the image behind it. After setting up the transparency, you may need to fine-tune the placement of your text. Simply click and drag your text box to position it perfectly over the image. Feel free to rotate or resize the text box as necessary to achieve the exact look you desire. Finally, if you want to keep the text and image together for easy movement within your document, grouping them is a fantastic option. First, select the image, hold the Ctrl key, and click on the text box to include it in the selection. Then, in the Shape Format or Picture Format tab, click Group and then Group again. This action makes them a single object, which can be moved or resized together effortlessly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to place text on an image in Microsoft Word, enhancing your documents with professional flair.